And welcome back. We would like for you to meet the hands that actually nourish all of us, because that's the message behind the annual Ventura County Farm Day. It's an upcoming event for families to have a lot of fun, gathering many local ranches and agricultural groups as well as farmers.
It's such an exciting day in Ventura County, and here with us in studio is one of those farmers, Mike Roberts from Camarillo's McGrath Family Farm. Also with us is Caitlin Case, the organizer of the event, Students for Eco Education and Agriculture, also known as SEAG. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah,
thanks for having us.
This is beautiful. I wish you guys could smell just how fresh all this is. Came from the farms this morning. Caitlin, we're going to start with you. Tell us a little bit about what Farm Day is all about. Obviously, it's been successful if it's 13 years now.
Absolutely. Ventura County Farm Day is in its 13th year. It's a day for the community to connect with local agriculture. So it's a completely free event that takes place at 19 locations throughout the county, 7 different towns. So there is a Farm Day location near you, anywhere you want to go.
And you can learn a lot while you're there.
Absolutely. It's a day for education, for connection. There's tours, there's produce tastings, there's giveaways. It's for all ages, and absolutely it's an opportunity to connect with our local farmers and farm workers.
You know, we often talk about farm to table. Talk to us about that journey and why that's so important to educate people about that.
Well, this is a second career for me as a farmer. I wasn't born into a farming family, so I had to learn about it later in life. And I got to meet farmer Phil McGrath, who's an iconic organic farmer in Southern California. And he taught me that as human beings, we've developed national and global food systems. It's very important that what we grow in our area is also enjoyed by the community. So to get us out on the farm, to get our community out on the farm, to talk with us farmers, and to learn how your food is grown is important, and it's fun. We're gonna put you to work out there on the farm day.
That's so great. I've been to one of the SEAG events before. It's so hands-on for the kids, especially because that's where it's really going to grow for our community.
Yeah.
Just looking at what we have here, this all came from our local farms. I don't think people realize how much comes from our farms right in Southern California. So can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, absolutely. So I just was on the farm this morning, early morning, picking up sunflowers, organic sunflowers from our own home farm, McGrath Family Farmers, Farmer Cruz Carranza, and family leading us
And
there.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful there. And then we have Ventura County. We're famous for avocados, lemons, strawberries, and a little treat to announce, we're gonna have You Pick Strawberries open on Farm Day, so y'all could come out and pick your own strawberries. And then just a little bit of different seasonal vegetables from our friends at Love Farms in Santa Barbara County. And then let's see, what else do we have? And then we have some local onions as well.
Still, the smell. I just feel like I'm at the farm right now. We understand the farm is also a collaborative farming space with specialized smaller farmers inside. So talk about that.
Yeah, we're, as I mentioned, I didn't grow up in a farming family. Phil McGrath is 5th generation on the Oxnard Plains. And when it came time for Phil to retire, he's the hardest working retired farmer ever. We went to Phil, those of us that were farm workers under his mentorship, and we said, can we be the next generation of McGrath family farmers? So we're now a group of farm workers that are now farm owners, and we've trained many other farmers. We want to put more farmers out into the community. We think that's a huge need. Farmer Phil says that just a few generations ago, all of our ancestors grew food in some significant way. Today, that number is less than 1%, feeding the other 99%. So we need more of talented, hardworking people involved in agriculture.
Yeah.
Caitlin, can we piggyback off of that? Because so much of farming is also integral to American culture as a whole. Right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Not only is it integral to American culture, but it's something that we've moved away from as a society. Ventura County is very unique that we have a really high ag and urban interface. So you have houses happening right next to farms, and a lot of people don't know what's going on those farms. We've gotten so disconnected from how our food is grown and who is growing it. So Farm Day and SEAG's other education programs offer people the opportunity to step onto a farm, to ask questions, to learn and get some of that connection back.
Okay, so this event is free. Bring the family, all the kids. It's great for them. Why should you still sign up ahead of time?
You should pre-register ahead of time. One, there is a little bit of rain in the forecast. Okay. Farm Day is a rain or shine event. So
it's what the farmers have to do regardless.
That's right.
What the farmers have to do. We actually
truly live it.
We do. It's a full experience to be on the farm. But pre-registering before Farm Day gets you easy access to all of the locations. So at Farm Day, you'll look for these red check-in signs.
Okay.
That's where you will check in. You'll scan a QR code. If you pre-register, you'll also get up-to-date updates about weather information. So if there are location changes, if there's anything happening, if you're pre-registered, you will get emails leading up to Farm Day with any changes. So we highly encourage pre-registration.
Okay, great. All right, for more information on the Ventura County Farm Day, we have that on our website, cbsla.com and /Seen on TV. I can't wait to check you guys out, and I hope a bunch of families come out too. It's so educational.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so much.
Guys, all right, I'll be right back.